Oh, ho, 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 ho. I like this shamrock shake. I'm gonna drink the whole thing. Excuse me, sir. Can I get a shamrock shake, please? I'm sorry, but the shake machine is broken. Ah, God damn it. Get me a shamrock shake right now. Come on, puppy dog. We're going to the Collinsville McDonald's. Man, we're in Collinsville, Illinois. Look, there's a McDonald's right there. If you tell me that the shake machine is broken, you're gonna be in big trouble. You hear me? Okay, the shake machine is not broken. What do you want from there? Shamrock shake? Large, please. Here's your shamrock shake. Enjoy it. Don't let the leprechaun pinch you.